Hilarious, really.
Yeah.
It was difficult to get inside here.
Yeah.
Today on the 3rd of November 2022. It's Castréninkatu. That's the planting things. Yeah. That was like a safe before. Without button. Strange.
Yeah.
It's built in 1964. I think it was finished 65, so that's late 1964. Finished in 1965. And I think the CKSA is 65 maybe.
Yeah.
So maybe this is the turn of the year 64,
Yeah.
65. It could be, but I'm not sure. I'll check it later. And the server is age 12016. It's going to be expected in 2024 when it's turning 60 years old. Deserves the rights. It's in Italia by the hill, Helsinki has was modernized Finland. So Castréninkatu 20.
Iskut poikki vai iskut meidän eteenpäin pohjissa.
Yeah, also made in a rare year of 1964, but also 1965 is quite rare.
Yeah.
That's it, thank you very much. Please also watch the thing I say.
That's it.